My name is Yesher Lloyd de la Cruz. This is my report for your subject, Core Ad, and good morning, everyone. This is my report. The professionalism shown and upgrading of qualification to standard in designation of bureau to key positions. Number one, you have the sub-colony supervisor. They must be have finished at least second year of Bachelor of Law to earn at least 21 units in master degree program. The sub-colony supervisor or in Bucor as a key supervisory and responsible to oversee specific smaller unit or subdivision like Kamsampagita, yung mga yun sir, and half of a major prison or penal colony or farm. And we have the rules naman to ensure the security of mga inmates natin, sir, to keeping the rehabilitation of inmate within their assigned areas. And we have the responsibilities naman, the supervisor management, delay operation, including super security and reformation programs for person deprived of liberty or PDLs natin of the assistant superintendent. And nagre-report sila sa mga natin sir, sa mga sub assistant superintendent natin tong mga sub colony supervisor na to. And we have the colony assistant superintendent. Kailangan natin rank nila. Chief inspector must be finished, at least finish sila ng second year of law. Kailangan nila mag-earn at least 24 units or master degree program. The role naman, the assistant colony superintendent as senior uniform officer holding the rank of correction chief inspector. He is second in command. Kumbaga, siya yung pangalawang command sa colony, sir. Kumbaga, siya nag-assist sa management and security and rehabilitation program of penal institution. Like dito sa sub-colony supervisor, ganun din sir, ganun din yung kanyang trabaho in the operational control. If absent naman yung superintendent, siya yung magiging second command, yung pinaka higher sir sa colony na yung colony superintendent. If wala yun, siya yung mag-manage. Yun yung colony assistant superintendent. And we have the colony superintendent. Ito yung pinaka mataas sa kanila. Should have the rank of superintendent who must be graduate of Bachelor of Law of holding of a master degree, provide in the prison of and penal form with in an inmates population of 2,000 but below 3,000. Kumbaga siya yung may hawak ng madaming inmates, sir. And the prison handle are yung mga hawak niya naman is the Iwahig Penal Farm or the Davao Penal Colonies or DIPCOL. Yun yung mga hawak niyang colony. Yung colony supervisor. And the role niya naman, kumbaga, he is oversees to entire penal colony including the inmate security rehabilitation programs and operation of farming and agriculture activities. They are act as conjunction with justice of the peace and disciplinary matters within the colony. Kumbaga sir, sila yung nagpo ng peace order, yung mga peace sa mga securities natin doon sa loob ng colony, and sila nagpapatupad. And sa mga kung naman like activities, mga farming, sila nagma-manage. And we have the privilege management. They are authorized to manage the colonist system, allowing inmates who demonstrate the good behavior to leave their family. Kumbaga dito sir, meron yung mga inmates na good na, nagiging mabuting inmates na sila. And ito din yung kumbaga sila yung tao na okay na, and mabibigyan sila ng privilege na makasama yung pamilya nila. Kumbaga dun sa saan na yung farm na yun? Dun sa Iwahig, parang ganon. Yung San Ramon, ganon. May yung sariling land na sila, sir. And we have the regional superintendent naman. Have the rank of senior superintendent or chief superintendent who must be graduate of law or hold the master degree, and they are holding the penal farm, like yung pinakamalalaking farm na talaga, sir, like Leyte Regional Prison, Davao Prison, and Penal Farms. They are responsible to the Director Generals of effective, secure, the unit management of the PDLs. Sila nag-secure, sir. And we have the rules naman. Administrative supervision existing the control of supervision of the penal units and operation. There aside the penal farms, safekeeping of the PDLs, ensuring the human treatment of inmates. We have the number 2, reformation programs, implementing rehabilitation programs. Kumbaga ini-implement nila, sir, yung mga rehabilitation programs natin. We have the security management, implementing the enforcement. Kumbaga sa PNP natin, they are enforcing the law inside the penal colony. Kumbaga ini-implement nila. And we have we have the operational management ng colony superintendent, directing the daily operation. Siya nagda-direct sa daily operation sa loob ng farm, and maximum utilization. Kumbaga yung mga utilization na sabi, sir, kumbaga assets rather. Sorry, yung assets na yan, yung kumbaga yung mga budgeting, mga agriculture na mga pagkain nila, sir, sila nagba-budget yan. And we have the reporting and supplementing report of the director regarding age status of the facility. Kumbaga ito yung, sir, yung rin-report niya yung mga sa facility, kung okay yung facility, kung goods naman yung papatakbo ng facilities natin dun sa loob. Nagre-report sila, sir. And the policy implementation, kumbaga siya yung nagre-regulate ng kumbaga policy sa loob ng kulungan. Siya yung to order prison. Kumbaga siya yung nagmamanage ng mga policies to the inmates, sir. And that's my report of professionalism and upgrading of qualification standard and the designation of the bureau to key position. That's all, and thank you, sir, and have a nice day.